Stack that bitch up, mate.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars.
Yeah, turn me up.
What is that stakes for us? Kicking up on the run.
That shit crazy, your own homie will snake you out for a bitch or for some money. Just for his own personal ego. And shit like that turn you to a super gremlin. But I'm focused, let's lock in. 7.26 dumping clips, showing niggas just how real as it get. In the shot, niggas really got blicks. Up the skull to put a dent in your shit. Talk that talk and skeet off with your bitch. Shorty bad, I put dick in the ribs. Fleet of scatter, spin back to the bricks. Never lacking with the cig on my hip. Standing tall with the crown just to see Shorty smile. Bling, blow. Blowing rockets in the town. 7-6 from the ground. Mean, yow. Shorty snitching, got his niggas locked. Ops lurking just to spin the block. Fuck his body, wanna stick a shot. In return, the nigga got his fitted pop. Heavy moving with them things. Hand to hand, that nigga bang. Wait, ayy, blicking shit is still in pain. From 40 deep, a nigga dame. That's range. Throwing switches on them things. Putting ops in the paint. Just to bang them out they frame. Pop his top to show his brain. Up the scope for the game.
Lock and be a superstar. Big stepping like Megatron. We drifting them supercars. Chase down, feel like I'm LeBron. 392 supercharged. One button, just press the star. She throwed it while I'm in park. I nutted all on the hard.
Big facts, we clip rats. Drop your mans, get your lick back. Cause your homie got his brain split splat. Mean and Shorty got his shit bag. Spent the block just to hit sacks. Recompress all them zip bags. 360s like Mick Jag. Up the bag and get your shit whacked safe. I really be up on that scope, collecting that bag and fucking y'all hoes. Wait, Shorty get dick in her throat. I'm selling her lies and giving her hope. Ayy, Papi stepping while I'm working my bag. Big attraction when I'm whipping my jag. Switching lanes, call it zigging my zag. 30 hollows and they fit in my mag. Black jacket, Michael Jackson in bad. White light, all you see when it flash. Up the scope and collecting the bag. Scotch stores when I beat on my pad. Arsonists with Molotovs. Different nigga going ball for ball. Head rappers need Tylenol. Break your skull, watch it fall apart. Laugh it off, call them bras and all. Strike his dome, watch him pause and fall. Chubby nigga with sauce and all. Celebrating like Mardi Gras. Nah, it's not safe for ya. You snitch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you snitching. We could've been superstars. Damn, my nigga, you bitchin'. Should've put your soul with the stars. Killing you in the witness. Nah, it's not safe for ya. I upgraded my Glock with a switch. Shorty bad, she be making me proud. Her mind is bright, she be making me smile. She wanted Papi, start taking her down. She gripping she ain't faking these sounds. A nigga tweak, we be staking his house. He play with me, we be facing him down. He scream to God, start drinking his crown. His body slumped, he couldn't face these rounds. Yeah, Beam. If you don't know who I am by now, you better lock the fuck in. I'm focused. Super Gremlins. Yeah.